Are you tired of feeling disconnected? Do you ever find yourself searching for something more, something deeper? Well, my friend, you are not alone. Welcome to a life-changing journey where we unlock the extraordinary power of prayer and embark on a spiritual awakening like no other. In this video, we will unveil the profound impact that prayer can have on our lives and the world around us. Brace yourself, because what you're about to discover will leave you in awe. Prayer is not merely a religious practice. It is an extraordinary tool that can bring about profound transformation, inner peace, and a deeper connection with the divine. From believers to curious souls, this video is for anyone who seeks the untapped potential within them. Trust us. You won't believe what your mind is capable of creating when fueled by the power of prayer. We'll unlock secrets and techniques that will inspire you to reimagine the possibilities of your life. But it doesn't stop there. We'll explore the indispensable virtue of persistence. We'll reveal the awe-inspiring results that come with unwavering dedication to prayer. And as we surrender our minds to the divine, we'll witness the extraordinary blessings that await us. Brace yourself for divine intervention as we explore how surrendering control can ignite a spark of enlightenment and fulfillment within our souls. So, if you're ready to transform your life, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us as we unlock the secrets to a life of boundless possibility. Okay, let's get started. Believing in the power of prayer is essential for our prayers to be answered. Prayer is not just a one-sided conversation where we make requests and expect them to be fulfilled without any effort on our part. It requires us to take responsibility and be the directing force behind our prayers. God always listens to our prayers and desires for us to communicate with Him. Daily prayer can bring blessings not only to ourselves, but also to our families and those around us. It is a powerful form of communication with God that can bring about healing, restoration, and spiritual awakening. Sometimes prayers are answered in ways that we may not expect or understand. It is important to trust in God's wisdom and timing, knowing that He always has our best interests at heart. Our faith and belief in the power of prayer can play a significant role in the outcome of our prayers. The story of the 10 lepers in the Gospel of St. Luke highlights the importance of faith and belief in prayer. Jesus asked the lepers to go and show themselves to the priests, which was a test of their faith. As they went, they were cleansed. This story shows that prayer can be a means to raise our faith to a higher intensity and bring about the desired outcome. Visualization or imaginative prayer has gained popularity in evangelical circles, drawing inspiration from the practices of Catholic saints such as Francis of Assisi, Anthony of Padua, and Teresa of Avila. These saints engaged in imaginative prayer by using their imagination to vividly experience biblical and historical scenes, applying all 5 senses to bring them to life. This approach to prayer is an integral part of the spiritual exercises of Ignatius of Loyola. The essence of visualization in prayer is the elevation of the mind to that which is sought. It involves holding the attention on the idea of the wish fulfilled and experiencing it in the imagination as if it were already a reality. This type of prayer is not a mental effort or an act of will, but rather a surrender and abandonment to the feeling of the wish fulfilled. It is important to note that if prayer does not bring the desired response, there may be something wrong with the prayer itself. Often, this is due to exerting too much effort and not allowing for a genuine surrender to the experience. In visualization prayer, the key is to let go and trust in the universe. Persistence is a crucial element in achieving success in any area of life, including prayer. Persistence requires staying focused and committed, even in the face of difficulties or opposition. It means not giving up when things get tough, but rather pushing through and continuing to work towards your desired outcome. This is true not only in the physical realm, but also in the realm of prayer. Prayer itself is a form of persistence. It involves continuously seeking and believing in the fulfillment of one's desires. The power of prayer lies in the assumption and feeling of already having what is desired, even before it manifests in physical reality. It is about persistently holding on to the belief that the prayer will be answered. Even a young child can understand and practice the concept of persistence in prayer. I once witnessed a charming little boy who came to me seeking guidance on prayer. He expressed his desire for a puppy, despite his mother explaining the impossibilities of his prayer. The cost, the confined home, and his inability to care for the dog properly were all valid concerns. However, the boy looked into his mother's eyes and simply said, "But mother, I know how to pray now." His persistence and unwavering belief in the power of prayer were remarkable. In the book of Nehemiah, we see a powerful example of how amazing things can happen when we overcome antagonism. The historical context of this story is essential to understanding the challenges faced by the people of Jerusalem. After the Babylonians conquered and destroyed the city, leaving it in ruins and its people in despair, Nehemiah, who had never even been to Jerusalem, felt a deep calling to rebuild it. Despite facing opposition and adversity, Nehemiah persisted in his prayer and his determination to see the city restored. One key lesson we can learn from Nehemiah's story is the importance of observing the world as it would be with answered prayers. This requires focusing our attention and controlling our imagination. Instead of being consumed by the current reality of destruction and despair, Nehemiah envisioned a city restored and thriving. He aligned his thoughts and feelings with this vision, creating a new reality in his mind. In the same way, when we pray, it is crucial to cultivate the feeling of already having what we desire. Prayer is not about exerting our own efforts, but about invoking higher powers and surrendering to the belief that our prayers will be answered. Our attitude plays a crucial role in manifesting our desires. If we approach prayer with doubt or a negative mindset, we limit the potential for transformation. Instead, we should assume the feeling of our wish fulfilled and trust that it is already on its way to us. Prayer has the potential to bring about profound changes and accomplishments that may seem impossible in the world's eyes. It is through prayer that we tap into the power of imagination and persistence. We invite divine intervention into our lives and open ourselves up to the possibilities beyond our own understanding. As we come to the end of our video, we hope you have found insight and inspiration in exploring the power of prayer. This transformative journey offers us the incredible opportunity to connect with the divine and manifest a better reality for ourselves and the world around us. If you have enjoyed this video and found value in the content, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will stay updated on our future content that will continue to deepen your understanding of prayer and manifestation. We also encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We believe that by engaging in a community of like-minded individuals, we can uplift and support one another on this manifestation journey. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and trust in the process. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.